Rolling out of the workshop and on its way to Scale Racing Channel Heavyweight Stock Championship is my Noodlehead. Hey all, Marc D, CutRock'R here, and I'll give you a quick short journey of this Noodlehead car. Firstly, many thanks to all my US mates that collate and ship cars back to me. I wouldn't be able to survive in this hobby without that help. Thanks mates. Last May I got a shipment in, back from the States from Po Boy, and wow, he obtained and gave me a Noodlehead. I really hope I can do it justice. I've got some videos of how it was when it came and up until I've sent it. Cheers, enjoy. Thanks again mate, I'll try and do you justice. Our last set of 3 cars for this returning. Of course I've got the AMG and the Dado, and of course the fantastic Noodlehead. So we'll see how they go without being touched since they've arrived back. Cheers. Okay, they're back after a quick rework with dust. Not exhaustive by any means, but we'll see what we get out of them on a short go. Cheers. Well, they're all significantly faster than their first runs. The Noodlehead particularly turning in a good time. September 23 and back into the workshop. Can we beat the previous fastest time of 2233? Yes! Here we've got the Aussie coloured Noodlehead. Let's see how I've gone trying to get some more speed out of it. Cheers. Last run. Holy hell. That's well and truly the fastest lap ever done by a stock car here by quite some margin. USA, here we come. Cheers all. CutRock'R!